Welcome to BuyAVette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, the nation's only seller of pre-owned Corvettes that have been fully inspected and are backed by a free warranty. We make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence, but we always hope if you're in Atlanta or stopping through, be sure to stop in and see us. What a selection of Corvettes we have, just like this one. This is an absolutely beautiful 1992 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. It is a beauty. It is dark red on the exterior, light beige on the interior, light beige convertible top that looks great, and under the hood a 300 horsepower LT1 engine with automatic transmission and posi rear end. Now, factory features include dual power seats, Bose Gold AM FM CD cassette stereo, electronic climate control, fog lamps, power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, power antenna, tilt, tele, cruise control, ABS, traction control. The car comes with a clean Carfax. And remember, if you want to see more detailed pictures of this car and the pricing, just click the link right below this video and it'll take you to all of that information. Now, this 92 Corvette Convertible shows, believe it or not, just 28,522 miles. It's in nice condition. Car's paint is in good to very good condition, has a great shine as you can see, and the convertible top is good to very good with average condition window on the back. Factory wheels are very good. The interior of this 92 Corvette Convertible shows good to very good seats, good condition door panels, steering wheel, and center console. This car is completely factory stocked, and C4s with miles this low, well, they're few and far between. So give us a call here at BuyAVette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. You can get a hold of one of our sales representatives at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do that, hit the notification button, and you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. And we have quite a selection. So, we're BuyAVette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Give us a call, and we can put this Corvette in your driveway quicker and less expensively than you can imagine. So again, give us a call, BuyAVette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.